Good morning, students. So today we will do the next topic. Previous topic we have discussed about the supplementary units. पिछले वीडियो में हमने देखा था कि दे आर द सप्लीमेंट्री यूनिट जिनको हम रेडियन और स्टेरेडियन कहते हैं. तो आज हम सीखेंगे कि हाउ द डिग्री इज कन्वर्ट इनटू रेडियन. डिग्री को रेडियन में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे या रेडियन को डिग्री में कैसे कन्वर्ट करेंगे. मीन्स वी हैव टू फाइंड द रिलेशन बिटवीन डिग्री एंड रेडियन. In previous video we have discussed that what is radian. So radian is a plane angle, or we can say that what is radian. So if that is a circle and this is a arc AB, this is a arc AB and R is the radius of that circle. So this angle theta is said to be radian. इस एंगल को हम रेडियन कहेंगे अगर इस लेंथ की आर्क किसके इक्वल होगी, रेडियस के इक्वल होगी. व्हाट इज रेडियन? रेडियन इज द एंगल सबटेंडेड एट द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल बाय एन आर्क whose length is equal to radius. मींस सर्कल के सेंटर पे बना हुआ एंगल जो किसने बनाया है, एक आर्क ने बनाया है, और उस आर्क की जो लेंथ है वो किसके इक्वल है, रेडियस के इक्वल है. सो इफ दैट एंगल इज थीटा, that angle is theta and L is the length of that arc and R is the radius. So theta is equal to length by radius, that is radian. So what is radian? Radian is the angle subtended at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to the radius. So today we will discuss about कि how the degree, because previously the angle, जो एंगल थे 60 डिग्री, 70 डिग्री, 80 डिग्री, 180 डिग्री, 100 डिग्री, वो पहले डिग्री में मेजर किए जाते थे. तो नाउ वी विल चेंज दैट डिग्री इनटू रेडियन. सो वी विल डिस्कस दैट कि थीटा इज इक्वल टू एल बाय आर रेडियन फ्रॉम द डेफिनेशन ऑफ रेडियन. सो इफ वी से दैट कि थीटा इज द एंगल एट द सेंटर ऑफ अ सर्कल and r is the radius circle and l is the length of the arc. So in class 10th we have discussed a formula to find the length of the arc. We have a formula that if length of the arc, what is the formula of length of arc? The formula is 2 pi r theta by 360. This we have discussed in class 10th कि if we want to find the, अगर आप किसी भी आर्क की लेंथ फाइंड करना चाहते हो और आपको एंगल पता है तो वो होता है 2 pi r theta divided by 360. So now what angle subtended at the center? That is theta. What is the length of the arc for this arc? That length is equal to 2 pi r theta by 360 divide by r. R means radius. So when we divide it, this r cancel with this. So theta comes out to be 2 pi theta divided by 360 and whole there is a radian. So now what we have seen here, कि that theta cancel with this and this 360 came on that side. So what we have seen here, we have seen that कि 360 is equal to 2 pi radian. So what is equal to 1 radian? So if we take that 2 pi here, so what will we see here? This is 360 divided by 2 pi is equal to 1 radian. So now if we solve it, here comes out to be 180 by pi radian. So 1 radian is equal to, what is 1 radian? That is 180 divided by pi. Clear? So if we want to change that, what is 1 degree? So if we want to change 1 degree, you can see it कि 1 degree is equal to, that is a degree, 180, this is clear, this is 180 degree. So 1 radian is equal to 180 divided by 2 pi. If you want to find the 1 degree, sorry, if you want to find 1 degree, then we have seen here कि 1 radian is equal to 180 degree divided by pi. So we want to find the degree, so pi comes here that side, that is 180 degree. This is pi radian, this is pi radian, and that 180 came downside, so pi by 180 radian is equal to 1 degree. So this is the relation between the radian degree. 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 and 1 radian is equal to 180 by pi. Again we are repeating what we have seen here. We know that ki what is radian? Radian is the angle subtended at the center of an arc, at the center of a circle by an arc whose length is equal to radius. If theta is the angle subtended at the center L is the length of the arc and R is the radius. So theta is equal to L by R radian. So we have to find that L. So that L is equal to length of the arc. We in class 10th we discussed the length of the arc is equal to 2 pi R theta by 360. So we'll put here. So that R cancel with R, theta with theta. So what we have seen here, कि 2 pi by 360 radian. 1 degree is equal to 2 pi by 360 radian. We will solve it. So 360 is equal to 2 pi radian. So this 360 don't move that side. So 360 degree is equal to 2 pi radian. So we want to find the 1 radian. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. So 1 radian is equal to 180 degree by pi. So if we will want to find the 1 degree, so that pi came that side and 180 came downside. So 1 radian is equal, or 1 degree is equal to pi by 180 radian. So this is the conversion of degree into radian or radian into